For this week's art therapy, we're going to be looking at creating our paper mache vase design. If you want to see how I create this paper mache vase design, keep on watching. Now, before we start, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, that you hit that notification bell, and you give the video a thumbs up, and you can also leave a comment down in the description box. Guys, for this week's paper mache vase design, I wanted to do more like a square vase. So I have these two boxes. I just put them together. I'm going to tape all around, and then it came with this internal portion, which that's the way I want the inside. But I was trying to figure out if I should have the handle on the side, so it goes like that, or make it more unique and go this way. And I think I'm going to do it so that it's triangle, so it doesn't look like a milk carton. So first, what I want you to do is we're going to tape all of this together, and then we're going to put saran wrap on it. We do have to fix this open portion here. So we want to do all of that and then work from there. If you're one of the first to view my videos, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload my post every Tuesday. If you wanted to take me on any of your projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to take me on, and I also have a Facebook page where you're able to upload your different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description box. Now that you know how to make the paper mache vase design and a box design, you can check out this tutorial next on how to make paper mache. If you like this week's tutorial, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and share the content with your family and friends. I will see you guys next week. Take care and bye-bye.